Hi everybody, and Happy New Year to you all, and welcome to 2021. So my winter cleanse starts soon, and I just thought I would give you an update as to what we're going to do this year. So as you know, I work with seasons, and the winter time is all about cleansing your bowel so that you can, for the rest of the year, when you're working with your cleansers, you're actually really supporting your whole digestive system. So we always begin with the bowel. Now this is a short cleanse, and basically we're starting on January the 11th, which is a Monday. We are working with the moon, so we're actually starting the cleanse on the 14th, which is the Wednesday, I think, and that's when the new moon is. So Monday and Tuesday we're going to be gently just kind of like changing, reducing down our food intake. I'm going to be supporting you the whole time. We're eating plenty of fibre rich foods. It's based on Ayurvedic philosophy, but it is a bit a la Justine, and so I've changed it to suit everybody. So what we're doing is Monday and Tuesday, so that's the 11th of 12th of January, we're going to be just reducing down our foods, looking at how we can support ourselves, doing some lovely mindful breathing techniques, and then the Wednesday, Thursday and Friday we're going to be actually doing the cleanse itself. And you are eating 3 meals a day. They are going to be very simple foods, and it does require some home cooking, but not masses. And then on the Saturday, we're just returning back to normal. And what I'm doing this year is that I'm going to be offering you a Zoom group meeting every day at 6 o'clock probably, and it's going to be I'm going to be including some pranayama, which is some breathing exercises to support digestive health, and I'm also going to be giving you some nutrition nuggets. So we're going to be talking about how else we can support ourselves for immunity, etc. I'm not giving you a supplement this year because there are all things that we're doing from your pantry really. I will be giving you a shopping list, and I'll also be giving you the recipes, and hopefully I'm going to be getting those out to you by the end of next week. So you do need to book onto it early, or soon anyway. It is £35. At the end of the cleanse, I'm also going to be offering you an extra bonus, which is a challenge for the rest of January if you want to take it up, and I'll be offering you a weekly Zoom class as well if you do take that challenge up. There isn't an additional price for that, that's just part of it. So it's an option. If you want to do it, you don't have to, it's purely up to you. So let me know if you want to do it. It's 5 days, the whole thing, 2 days preparation, 3 days cleanse. Really important way to start the new year with positivity and cleansing your bowel, and really simple. So let me know if you want to join me. You can DM me if you want, or you can send me an email, contact@justineevans.co.uk, or you can call me. So whichever way you want to contact me, let me know, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. So let's make 2021 a really great year. All right, lots of love, blessings, speak to you soon.